Greetings to team subscribers and new viewers. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Home Depot Elecwish rechargeable 350 lumen LED 3-in-1 task light with gooseneck, flash, task light head. When I ordered it, I wasn't expecting a whole lot, but once I unboxed it, I was actually at least impressed with the look of the product. It consists of an aluminum body with knurling. To this, you can attach the different accessories. It also comes with a 22 milliamp hour battery, a strip light, a flashlight, and a flexible gooseneck. And you also get 2.5 feet of USB cable. What you don't get is a recharger, which is unfortunate. But luckily for me, I have a Roku, which came with a power adapter, which works perfect with this unit. So let's charge the unit and then we'll get into the details. First, we insert the battery by screwing off the back cap, inserting with the positive tip up, put our cap back in place, thread, and it's aluminum, so be careful that you don't cross thread this. And once it's fully in place, there's on the back side a little cover for a USB-C connector. You plug that in there. On the other part of the USB, you bring your adapter, make that connection, and plug for about 3 to 4 hours. It'll glow green once the unit is fully charged. With the unit charged, adding an attachment is as simple as grabbing the snap ring, pulling back, inserting, and releasing. And it locks into place. You have one switch, you turn it on, that's your low beam, that's your high beam, and you have the ability to focus that beam or widen out. And again, to release, just pull on the ring and it comes right out and you can add your next attachment. The flash head provides 140 lumens at low and 280 at high. And of course, you can bring that down to a nice fine focus. You'll notice that there is a little ring around it, so it's not a perfect reflector, but it gets the light where it needs to be. Our next attachment is the strip task light, and what I really like about it is that it has a pivot point here and here. So you can pivot this way, you can pivot this way, and that allows you to go up against the flashlight, all the way against the flashlight on the back side. You can also rotate, so you can literally put light anywhere you want. Uses for the task light could include just reading when there's no power or you're camping and hiking. Anytime you need a soft diffused light to light up a wide area. At the tip, there's a place to even hang this light. If you find the narrow base too unstable, just attach it to something a little bit wider that's metallic and the magnetic bottom will hold onto it. The magnetic mount is capable of holding the weight of the entire unit, even while you're making adjustments. The third attachment is the flex or gooseneck. It has an output of 100 lumens at low, 200 on high. And what's really nice about this, as opposed to having the light source at this end and then using optical to get it all the way out here, the actual light source is here at the very end. So when we turn this unit on, you can go low, go high, and just like the flashlight, you can focus the beam down or widen out. Great flexibility. You have about 16 inches that you can flex with. Very versatile and easy to use, and it remembers its position, so it's not going to move on you once you pick a position for it to be in. Sometimes a regular flashlight is just too much when you're trying to see into small spaces. With the ability to attach a gooseneck, you solve that problem. And with the flash head attached, of course, using the magnetic mount, you can throw the light where you like. While the flash head will generally suffice for shining an area, sometimes a gooseneck is better for getting the light exactly where you need it. This is also great for automotive work where you might need a precise beam going into a small area or a wider task light. I think with the ability to quickly switch out your heads, this makes this light a very versatile tool, focusing with 2 of the 3 light heads, and of course a very nice diffused strip light. This has like 1,001 uses. It's rechargeable. When that rechargeable lithium battery goes out, you can just buy a replacement. So that means that the life of this product isn't determined by the battery, which is the case with those that come with sealed batteries. So overall, I think this is just a really well engineered and designed product, and I would highly recommend it for anyone. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and join the subscription team. And as always, thank you ever so much for watching.